Welcome back to JK Max, your go-to place for smartphone repair and service tips. Today, we're solving a common issue with the Infinix Hot 12 Pro. The phone turns off and on automatically, or doesn't power on at all. This issue is usually caused by a problem in the battery BMS board, specifically the fuse. Let's open the phone and check the battery section carefully. First, power off the device and carefully remove the back cover and screws. Always use proper tools to avoid damaging internal components. Unscrew. Now, carefully remove the fingerprint sensor strip. This strip is usually connected to the back panel or mid-frame, so open it slowly to avoid tearing the cable.
Unscrew and remove mid-frame.
Use a plastic spudger or pry tool to gently lift and disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Never use metal tools, as they can cause a short. Now remove the protective tape from the battery BMS board to access the damaged fuse area. The fuse on the BMS board is damaged or shorted, which is causing power issues. Carefully remove the faulty fuse. Since a matching fuse is not available, use a jumper wire to short the fuse points. This is a temporary solution and should be done with caution. After soldering the jumper wire, apply UV solder mask to insulate and secure the connection. This prevents short circuits and improves safety. Once everything is dry and secure, retape the BMS board with high-quality insulation tape. The repair is complete, and the battery is ready for testing.
Reassemble the phone, reconnect the battery, replace the mid-frame, and screw everything back. Reattach the back panel and insert the SIM tray.
So that's the solution. The auto on-off problem in the Infinix Hot 12 Pro is usually due to a shorted or damaged fuse on the battery BMS board. Issue is solved. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JK Max for more repair videos. Thanks for watching.